Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you're liking the content I'm uploading, please like my videos. Write in comments from which country you're watching and subscribe my video. This is a must for my motivation to keep on going and to keep uploading these videos. I need your support. So today I am bringing you the ideas of decorating your TV wall. These ideas are unique and amazing. Your media wall is the heart of your home, and you can decorate it with many budget friendly ideas as we are providing you with wallpaper and some lights and some floating shelves, and there are also available some luxury ideas in which you can add some panels to the wall. You can add some glass wall and the lights inside them. So this depends upon your choice that do you want a DIY, do you want a luxury setting. We try to provide as much possible. So we tried to bring a multitude. So the choice is yours, and there are very artistic ideas. The choice of colors and the choice of shelves. Either you want them beside your TV, above your TV, or you want a console table. This all depends upon you, and these console tables and the side cabinets are just amazing, and you can choose from them. You can choose any idea you want, and you can customize it or you can DIY it. Making these ideas is also possible if you have some interest in art. You can make them with wallpapers. You can install them yourself, and you can install remote control operated lights in your wallpapers, and they will look just amazing and beautiful, and they will make your wall prominent from the whole setting. Adding lights to it is definitely going to give it a prominent and raised look inside your room. Wooden panels can also be installed, and they can be brightened with the hidden lights in them. So if you want some light decor, so you can choose some lighter shades, and wooden shades too can be used if you want to give it a classical look. So it depends upon your choice. There are also some ideas where there is a console table only and there are no cabinets. So simple with a console table and with the least or minimal makeover too, it looks classy and artistic. This multitude of ideas is a large collection of beautiful art of decor. These classic media walls can make your home look cozy and comfortable, and it can make your living room a place to live, love, and flourish. You can add some beautiful planters to this decor or makeover, and this will add more beauty to your TV cabinet or TV wall. The choice of art is definitely going to decide the colors around your TV, either it is console or the shades of the lights or the shades of the decoration pieces you're using. We have put so much work in collecting these ideas and taking these photos, so please, if you are liking this content, as a token of appreciation, please like this video and subscribe our channel so we can keep on doing this work in future. Please tell us in comment section that from which country you're watching our video, and please tell us what do you want to watch in future, what home decor content you want us to bring for you in future, so we can work on that, or we can bring those ideas for you and make it easy for you to choose from. So if you are liking this content, please watch it till the end. Please support my channel, and thanks for watching and staying with us. I hope you like this content, but we don't know about your likeness until you make a comment or you like it. So it is very important for us to know your reviews. Please hit the like button and write us a comment. This interior decor and interior designing is just marvelous, and we can help you make your home a much better place to live and to relax. Please tell us what you want us to upload in future so we can work on that and try to bring you some beautiful and mesmerizing ideas of decorating your home. We are grateful for your support and response. Thanks for watching and staying with us.